Hey, where you going? Don't hit your head. You just missed hitting your head. You're going to boink yourself. Okay, run through the water. Come up here. Come on. I need a good video. Come here, June. June Marie. So what do you think you're doing? Hey. June Marie, what are you doing? All you're doing is making a mess. Oh my God, you're a mess. Rainy days. Damn assholes. Way too fast, wasn't it, June Marie? Even you had enough sense to know that's too fast to be driving. What's the emergency on a Sunday? Where are you going? Ah, you just can't walk wherever you want. Where are you going? Front door's locked. Okay. What's the matter?